Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you are all fine and doing well. Today I'm going to share with you stylish latex leather dresses, pants with beautiful jackets and different types of blazers. So please subscribe and press the bell icon. Keep watching, keep visiting for more videos. You can see latest designs. Shiny looks and very stylish outfits and ideas. So please take good care of yourself and thank you so much for watching my video. You can see shiny jackets with beautiful pants. So please support me by sharing my video. Latest collection and shiny outfits. In our channel you will see leather trends, latex leather collection, pants, trousers, and different types of designs according to your body type. In this video, we'll showcase you different designs and variations, black latex outfits, or biker dresses. So please take good care of yourself and thank you so much for watching my video.